大家好，我是方老师。In lesson 44, we have learned 汉字夏 means summer. And we learned 词夏天 also means summer. And 天 means sky, day, or God. Today we're going to learn the 汉字天's evolution. This is 汉字天 means sky, day, or God. So this is a person. Above his head, there's sky. So the original meaning means sky. Every day we can see the sky above us. And God live in the sky. We have learned a 汉字大 also use the person. And this picture evolution is like this. And the 天 focus on the person's head. That's the big difference. And we talk about a person is big, large, or even great in lesson 8, because Chinese believe a person is a small universe. It's great, it's large, big than anything else. Follow stroke orders by using your hands. Say with me. 天,天,天,天. Now we're going to learn some 词 including 汉字天, 每天, 每 means each, every, 每天, every day. 白天, 白 means white, 白天, daytime or day. 晴天, 晴 means clear, sunny. On the left part, it's 日, that means sun. On the right part, it's 青 means green, blue, blue, green, or black. So that means 晴, clear, sunny, relate with the sun and the color green, blue, black. What does that mean? Ah, that's the picture talk about. What does 晴 mean? 晴 describes the scene after the rain has stopped and the sky clears up. It depicts the moment when the heavy rain ends and the dark clouds gradually disperse and the sun and the sky slowly appear. That's why 晴 has a 日 sun in it. So it talks about this moment when the rain stopped and the sun coming out. For the 汉字清, we have learned a 成语 in lesson 38. 炉火纯青. Because ancient Chinese Taoists practiced 炼丹 alchemy in search of immortality and spiritual enlightenment. And when the dan elixir is ready, is perfect, they will see this color turns, the small color turns like green, blue, black. And that's the time when the sun coming out. It looks like green, blue, black. If you want to know more about 汉字清, please watch lesson 38. So 晴天, that means sunny or sunny day. Okay, say with me. 每天, 白天, 晴天. 今年夏天, 每个白天都是晴天. 今 means this. 年 year. 夏天 summer. 每 each, every. 个 doesn't have a specific meaning. It's a measure word. We'll talk about this measure word in a moment. 白 white. 天 sky, day, God. 白天 day or daytime. In English, measurements for nouns are universal, and we use generic terms such as a, an, or some to express them. Chinese requires specific measure words for different types of nouns. These measure words indicate the quantity, shape, or some other characteristic of the noun they accompany. Chinese measure words follow this simple structure. A number like 每 here means each one, plus measure word 个 measure word, plus a noun 白天 So when you see a number and a noun, something in between you don't know, it's just measure word. 都 both, all. 是 is are. 晴 clear, sunny. 天 sky, day, God. 晴天 sunny day. This summer, it was sunny every day. 每 each, every, and translation here. Though there's no translation for though here in the sentence. In lesson 44, we talk about this structure in the sentence with 每 and 都. When 每 and 都 is used together, they form a pattern that emphasizes that each and every individual case shares the same result or characteristic. Say with me. 今年夏天每个白天都是晴天. Check the description for worksheet link to practice the hands we've learned. If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share. 谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。